Learn the body wave with me in 6 simple steps. Let me show you a quick body wave. Ready? Here's like a simple one. Here's another simple one. And then let me show you one that I'll explain at the very end of this video, so make sure you stay around for that part. This is like a little swirly one kind of thing, where you're just kind of like making it a little bit more trippy kind of thing. But we're gonna get straight into it. This is the body wave in 6 simple steps. Much like the arm wave, when you learn how to wave, you gotta learn the isolated forms first. So that's the same what we do with the body wave. There's 6 simple isolations. One of them is really annoying. It's our stomach. We'll get to it very soon. Start right now. Let's go. Have your feet a little bit apart. And you start with the head going up. And then the head goes down and your shoulders will come up. Your shoulders will go down and your chest will come up. Then from here, your chest is gonna go down and you wanna push your stomach out as much as you can. And this is the annoying isolation. If you're someone who feels like you can't push your stomach out very much, just push it out as much as you can. And the more you do it, the more comfortable you'll get with it. And the more you'll probably be able to actually like stretch it and push it a little bit further. Even if it feels like you're not like doing anything with your stomach, it's still really important to make sure you're practicing with this. Because from the chest, you really want to make sure you get the stomach part, because the next is the hips. And if you skip the stomach, just go chest to hips, you're kind of like skipping a big portion of your body for the body wave. So make sure chest into stomach. Now you might not even really be able to see it too well on this video, but let me face this side. My shirt's like got a little bit of space in it, so like the stomach might be a little less visible, but you should still be able to see it. So chest to stomach, okay? So if I'm like having my stomach flat, or like I suck my stomach in a little tiny bit, don't tell anyone, and then I'll push my stomach out, boom, ugh. Suck it in and push it out. Cool? So from chest to stomach. From stomach, you're gonna like bend your knees and you're gonna push your hips forward a little bit. Hips go forward. Let me face this side. So I've gone from chest to stomach and then my hips. Cool? Back to the head. Head, shoulders, chest, then stomach, then hips. Cool. And relax. It should feel like super awkward, a little bit uncomfortable. That's good, that's good. So we've gone to our hips. From your hips, pretty simple, we're just gonna push one knee out. And as your hips are forward right now, as your hips go back, your knee is going to push out. So your hips are forward, push them back, push your knee out. Nice. And that is a simple body wave. Ready? It goes head, nice and slow. Shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee. Nice. And relax. Let's go again, tiny bit faster. Head, shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee. Relax. Nice. Can we go one time super slow? Let me just talk through all of the isolations again. And I want to face the corner just so there's any parts that we're missing in the body wave from front on. I want to make sure we can get all the angles. Starting with the head, shoulders, chest. When your chest goes down, make sure you're pushing your stomach out. And another thing I want to say really quickly while we're here is when I go to my stomach, sometimes I'll like push my lower back forward a little tiny bit. My lower back might push forward a tiny little bit, and it kind of adds a little exaggeration to your stomach isolation. From your stomach, you just relax the stomach, you bend your knees, and you let your hips push forward. From here, you're going to push your hips back as one knee pops out. And so like most of my weight's kind of on that knee, a little bit of my weight is on the other leg. Cool? face the front. One more time, super slow. Ready? We go. Head, shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee, and relax. Well done. So that is a simple, slow body wave down, but let's bring it back up. Cool. So let's come back. We'll start again and we'll bring it back up all the way through. Head, shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, and knee. Now we go back up. Knee pushes in, hips push forward. Your hips are gonna kind of stay forward a little bit, and I'm gonna kind of like try catch my stomach out. Or I'm gonna try and push my stomach out. I was thinking I'm gonna try and catch my stomach up to my hips, so it's like pushing out a little bit, and I'm kind of like coming up a little bit with my lower back / upper body. Stomach, and then your stomach will just relax as your chest comes up. And as your chest comes up, that's when your hips kind of like go back to neutral. And then shoulders as your chest comes down. And then your head's gonna go like up and down. It's gonna like bring the wave out. It almost does like a little back, up, forward, down. Kind of like a little circle. Cool? Catch back with me to the knee. Let's go to the knee. Going up, nice and slow from the knee. Knee pushes down, hips push forward. You're going to like push your stomach out and like move your upper body forward a tiny little bit. Then stomach and hips relax as your chest comes up. Chest goes down, shoulders come up. And then we finish the wave. Yeah, that's a slow body wave going back up. Let's go like down to up. Let's go up to down and then down to up, please. 5, 6, nice and slow. Here we go. Head, shoulders, chest, hips, no, stomach, then hips, then knee. Other way. Hips, stomach, chest, shoulders, and finish it out. Nice. Let's start to speed it up now. If you just need to like practice at that speed, just keep rewinding, practicing that part. If you're ready to speed it up 1 count, let's go. It'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Hopefully it's feeling okay. Let's go 2 times at this speed, and then we're just gonna speed it up 1 more gear, and that's our body wave practice. Ready? 7. Let's go. Head, shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders, head. Finished. Okay. Last time this speed. 7. Let's go. Head, shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders, head. Finish. Okay. Well done. That's really good. We're gonna speed it up, and this is like the final speed that we'll go to. We won't go any faster than this. Watch me 1 time. It's gonna go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Sorry, I was counting mad off beat just then. That felt off, but that's okay. Ready? We'll be on time together. Full time. And I'm just gonna count. I won't say each body part. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Okay? Pretty fast. It's good. When we're going a bit faster now, don't feel like you gotta like move the isolations big. In fact, play around with it, like moving a bit smaller if you want. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Okay. Let's go again. Make sure we're on beat. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. 3 more times, at least. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. I lied, everyone. Last time. 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Yeah, that is body wave. That's a simple body wave. If you are someone that wants to practice and get good at the body wave, you need to practice this isolated version first. Practice it so much that you feel like you can go through each isolation like fairly quickly at your own pleasure, like where you don't need to like follow like a slow count or anything. If you can just try go through a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then once you have that speed, the smoothness is going to come with that practice. So like, I'm gonna suggest practice it isolated and just really build in those pathways into your muscle memory. The pathways as in head, chest, shoulders, you know what I mean? So if you're trying to get a smooth body wave, you wanna drill what we just did, the isolated version, and the smoothness is going to come with your practice and time and building up that pathways of your muscle memory. Okay, if you've made it this far into the video, that means you are keen to learn the alternate version of the body wave. And I'm going to start right now. We're not gonna spend too much time on it. I kinda just wanna show you it and then you can like play around with it yourself. Remember, ask me any questions that you want. I will try to reply ASAP. So with this alternate body wave, this is kind of more how I might do it in like my actual freestyle when I'm dancing. And I'm gonna start with not doing any head, not any head isolation. It's gonna start at the shoulders, cool? And we're gonna do a shoulder roll. Your shoulders are gonna roll. Let's get them to roll backwards, please. And as they roll back, that kind of triggers your chest to come up. We do the stomach like normal, hips like normal, except I want you to give me a knee roll in. And then back up, you're gonna knee roll out. Hips the same, stomach, chest, and your shoulders are gonna roll forwards. And that is the alternate body wave. So it starts shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee. Knee, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders. Cool? So the main difference is there's no head and there's more rolling going on. We're doing a shoulder roll and a knee roll. Cool? Try it. It goes shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee, knee, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders. Let's go 2 more times just like that. Follow me. We go. Shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee, knee, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders. One more time, let's go. Shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knee, knee, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders, relax. Okay, and then just as a little gift for you, we're not gonna go through this, I'm just gonna explain what I do and then show you, because this is my favorite way to body wave. Instead of going like chest and hips, just going down and up, I like to play around with doing chest rolls. And so instead of my chest going up and down and hips going like forward and back, I'm gonna go like chest circle, hip circle. And it can just be like a half circle kind of thing. So if I was to do that, and also you can kind of do like a little 1-2 shoulder roll. You can kind of just play around with it however you want. You can also add like a head roll kind of thing. So it can be way more of like a spirally body wave. And then you can just play around with it like however you want. Yeah. Play around with like doing one shoulder at a time. Try the other knee. You know, just play around with it however you like. I want to give a quick special shout out to the person who commented on one of my videos asking for this body wave class. Thank you very much. If you ever have any ideas of what class you might like, please let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, thank you very much. I'm gonna make sure I link one class to the side of me, either side, I'm not sure. And if you are keen for more online classes, I've got a website. His real name is clarence.com. Check it out. And thank you very much. Until next time, I'll see you in the next class. Peace, catches, peace and love.